The U.S. trade delegation described this 2 days of trade talks as constructive, saying they'll be bringing back a positive report to Washington. The trade representatives, including U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, said that technical talks will continue in the coming days, and that will all be taken into consideration before Donald Trump makes a final decision on whether to go ahead and extend this tariff rate pause that we've seen between the US and China. He says that that is just one of the options that will be available to the US president, and he will make a final decision on where this trade spat will go next. The US representative said over the past 2 days of trade talks, a number of issues were discussed, with China touching on a number of the sticking points and concerns that the two sides have when it comes to trade. A huge issue as far as the US is concerned is feelings of production overcapacity and the impact that is having on US trade and global trade more broadly. As far as the Chinese delegation is concerned, well, they have issues when it comes to export controls from the US, something they want to see addressed. The trade team from Beijing said that they very much want to push for a continued pause of this tariff hiatus. They say that there was a candid exchange about economy and trade concerns. Over recent days, there's been plenty of speculation as to whether there will be a meeting later this year between President Xi Jinping and his US counterpart Donald Trump. The delegations from the US in Sweden said that this was not an issue that was discussed. US President Donald Trump also taking to social media on Tuesday, saying that he is not seeking this meeting with President Xi. William Denslow, AnewZ, Brussels.